Hey, what's up guys, you're watching Tech Theory, and in this video let's have a quick look at the iOS 12 update on iPhone. So let's get started. So guys, Apple has released the iOS 11 iOS 12 update to all the developers today, and it was launched in a event called WWDC 2018. So let's see what are the new features, and is it a major update or just a minor update. So let's begin now. So there are many revamped changes in the settings. Now the sounds option is available over here, and also the control center option is available down now, and we get a new option over here which is called a screen time, and there are many other options. As you can see, this is downtime. Yes, it schedules time away from the screen, and you also have app limits. This is the best feature according to me, app limits, and there are many other changes. So let's have a look, further look, and we have a new wallpaper, as you can see, which I am currently using. This is the new wallpaper of iOS 12, which looks pretty dope, and there are no changes in the battery options. So there are many changes. First change is improvement in performance. The performance has been improved a lot, and we also have a revamped Photos app. Let's see. So as you can see, we have this search option, and also we get more changes. We have the memoji, and we also have tongue detection in Animoji now, which is a pretty dope feature, and it is currently available for iPhone 10 only. It will be available for future iPhones. So there are also many changes which I can't cover in a single video, so I will make some more videos regarding the iOS 12 update. So as you can see, the main attraction is the performance, and also one of my favorite features of iOS 12 is the group notifications. Now in iOS 12 you get group notifications. For in iOS 11, for example, if you get 5 notifications from Instagram, they were available separately, but now they are grouped, and this is a great feature. And you also get some revamped changes in the Messages app. You also get the group FaceTime, which is a pretty dope feature. So there are many changes, but you can't call it a minor change. Major change. It is somewhat major, somewhat minor. So this is a good update, and if you want to update, I won't recommend you to update because it is currently buggy, as it is the first developer beta preview. So if you want to update your primary device, I won't recommend it. But if you have a secondary device, then you can try it out. I have made a separate video on it. I will link it in the description below, or you can also click on the I button over here. So that's pretty much, guys. Once again, let's check the benchmarks now. So this was the benchmark scores on 11.4, and these are the benchmark scores on iOS 12. So there is a downgrade in the performance, I guess, and also I need to test the battery performance. So video is coming on it soon. So yeah guys, that's pretty much. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. This was a quick video on iOS 12, and if you want to see more videos on iOS 12, then let me know in the comments. I will definitely make some more videos on it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't like this video, vote it down. So yeah, that's pretty much, guys. Please subscribe, and for more such videos, stay tuned to the channel. That's pretty much, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.